Stand-up paddleboarding is a fantastic way to relax and have fun on the water. Paddling a stand-up paddleboard also provides a phenomenal core and upper body workout. To make the most of this amazing water sport and have the best experiences on the water, it is essential to have the best stand-up paddleboard. There are many products available to choose stand-up paddleboards, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best stand-up paddleboards from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. AllAround Scout Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard. Extra wide and super stable, this AllAround Tech stand-up paddleboard is a perfect platform for SUP yoga. Yogis can strike all kinds of poses on it comfortably. This paddleboard even has a bungee cord on the side for securing the paddle, so it doesn't drift off while you concentrate on yoga. The only extra you may want to add is an anchor. Positive side of this product. A stylish SUP with a great design and color. Lightweight and easy to carry. Number 2. Rock Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard. This ROC SUP is the best stand-up paddleboard that is built like a rock. It features a military-duty material, a reinforced core, a double-layer deck pad, a high-pressure finish, and a premium-grade valve. Inflated fully, it is as rigid as a hard board and can float a very high load. It is a great paddleboard for beginners. Stable, affordable, and a complete package. It is thick and wide enough for another person or a canine companion to join in on the ride. The best thing about it is that it is such a top-quality SUP, comes with premium matching accessories, and yet is affordably priced. It is an incredible value. It also doesn't hurt that it is one good-looking paddleboard. It is no surprise that it is a top-rated stand-up paddleboard with hundreds of happy paddlers, attesting to its quality and performance. The wide design makes it a very stable all-around paddleboard for exercise or leisure on rivers, ponds, lakes, and even the ocean. It floats amazingly and is easy to maneuver on the water. The 3 fins make it a stable and straight cruiser. It handles choppy conditions and wakes left by jet skis and boats well. Positive side of this product. Very rigid, incredibly stable and super buoyant. High quality and durable board at a budget-friendly price. Comes with premium quality matching accessories. Awesome value for money. Plenty of room for 2 people or 1 rider and a dog. Number 3. Peak AllAround Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard. If your main requirement is an easy-to-carry inflatable stand-up paddleboard, this AllAround SUP by Peak Paddleboards is perfect. It weighs only 18 pounds and rolls up into an 11x36 package. If you have to hike a good distance to get to a lake or pond, you can manage with the board bag on your back. This isn't at the expense of quality and performance though. Thick with a wide stance, this paddleboard is superbly stable and can float a load of 300 pounds without feeling wobbly. It is spacious and sturdy enough to hold the main paddler and another person or a 4-legged companion. The bungee cords can hold 50 pounds of gear. It looks good, feels good on the water, and is reasonably priced. Positive side of this product. Super lightweight and compact when packed. A versatile all-around SUP. Very sturdy and stable with a solid feel. Number 4. Atall 11-foot inflatable stand-up paddleboard. Atall's 2020 flagship SUP, the Cruiser Deluxe, is the ultimate all-around stand-up paddleboard. It is designed for both stability and performance. The 11 feet length and pointed nose enable it to cut through the water with ease and speed. 32 inches width, a squared-off tail, and 6 inches thickness give it amazing stability and rigidity for beginners, family. Positive side of this product. Ultimate all-around paddleboard that has it all. A top-rated SUP with hundreds of glowing reviews. Number 5. Peak Expedition Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard. The Peak Expedition is stable, fast, and agile, fantastic for any adventure. Whether you enjoy touring, fishing, or recreational paddling, it's the best stand-up paddleboard for the job. Composed of dual-layer PVC with drop-stitch interior, the Expedition SUP is incredibly rigid and strong, while the EVA deck pad gives you the comfort for all-day paddling. Thanks to its hybrid nose design, the Peak Expedition easily cuts through chop. On top of this, the triple fin system makes it very responsive and maneuverable in all weather conditions. This awesome SUP comes in 2 sizes: 10 feet 6 inches and 11 feet, allowing you to choose between better stability or improved speed. Positive side of this product. Triple fin system for improved tracking and handling. Inflates to 12 psi to provide fantastic rigidity. Nose and tail grab handles make dragging easy. Spacious bungee corded storage at the nose and tail. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.